All right, trade with Crazii version 10.4, review of 27th of March market. Okay, let's go into the market right now. Okay, guys, can you see my Dow Jones chart? Can you see my Dow Jones chart? Okay. All right, so let's go into the market and we see what can we do from here. Now, yesterday itself, right, very interesting. The price actually closed lower, all right, and the market didn't really move much, but the KSI turns green in color. And that's why I say our indicator got nothing to do with price action, price movement, price calculation. It's on a standalone, okay? And one thing that yesterday, there was a very strong downside pressure because of the pivot tool, which is on top of the market. So as long as the market stays below OP, no matter what you tell me, it's a sell. Furthermore, with the MA30 also above it itself, it's like, wow, definitely the market wanting to sell. So that was what happened yesterday. Let's just go into detail right now. So first of start at the start of the day, the market for Dow, there's a diamond. So of course, if you insist to trade, you can put a diamond, a line across it. And if you've done that properly, guys, this is where you're going to put your entry. Your stop loss, right, by right is here, but it's too near, right? So you have to put it somewhere further away. So this is your range for trading. So you see, by the time you go to KTR plus 1, you have easily made at least 2x's. So let's say you put $100 inside this trade, then you make $200 when you hit the KTR plus 1. So of course, vice versa, right? If you actually trade $1,000 worth, you make 2,000 in just in the morning session. Okay, so now the market has went up already, right? And then the next thing it went was the MLP, which I mentioned to you. The market tried to stay above it. It did for a few days, and then after that, basically the thing came off. And that was whereby traders can get out from the long position. Then after that, there was a diamond, but you look carefully, the market never crossed the line, so that's why the market sold down again. But this one, right, you can see the difference. This guy, he followed through the rule, he made more money than it is. So that's why, guys, you really need to know that sometimes you can sell the market if the market is not able to help you. Then that's most of the time you can buy the market because it can help you in terms of education. All right, so all these things you must understand how to use the white lines. Yeah. Okay. Now, next thing is that you can see after that, the market still couldn't break past MLP convincingly and then came back down. Same thing again, it was a blue diamond. You draw and you draw across, and you can see the significance here. So initially, if you have this diamond, the tail is, I mean, this candle for the diamond is quite long, right? So you put a stop loss price here. So the price went up, and the first technical point you see is MLP, and that's where you should take some partial profit. That is something, a rule that I keep on saying, whenever you are buying or selling something, you see any technical level that's on your screen, always take some profit off the table just in case. Yeah. So after that itself, you can see what happened. The market started to go down and break below, creating a CCYR, a color change from yellow to red below the white line. Then that is where you can short the market. Now, if you have shorted the market, where's the stop loss then? So this is your so-called pocket entry. This is where you shorted. Yeah. All right, so if you are taking a short position, your stop loss should be where? Should be the highest point, right? In this case, so here. So this is where you're supposed to stop loss and your range. Now, guys, look at how the gold shoot down. Now, easily, about how many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 X's. So that means that if you put $100 in, you will have $600 back. When $100 in means your full range of your trading size itself. Got it? Okay, then of course subsequently so there are a lot of sideways trading, but usually I don't take any more because I told you normally by 8 p.m. latest I will stop trading already. Yeah, I already tell you that is the reason for that. Okay. All right, so next market, let me take a look here. Hold on a minute. Something wrong here on the screen. Okay. Okay, so this is the NASDAQ of yesterday. You can see the same thing happen. Now, you all will notice that NASDAQ has more diamonds than the Dow Jones. Yes, because if you notice, the NASDAQ has a lot of flipping of colors. That's why NASDAQ is a little bit more volatile. So I don't really encourage you to trade NASDAQ, although NASDAQ is faster. The momentum is faster, but I'm not comfortable to trade the NASDAQ, yeah? So I will tell you guys, if you want to, you can try. They will have more pockets of diamonds, definitely. Okay, so let's review on what happened to gold. Okay, yesterday's gold. So same thing again yesterday where we saw there was an inverse pivot and we were all expecting that the market will contain the inverse pivot, right? But I told you guys, if I'm the big boy, I will definitely go for the kill because this is where a lot of people put their stop loss order. So yesterday, those people who shorted gold are now stuck and they had to cover back their gold position. And I tell you guys, don't short when the KSI is green. And of course, is this a diamond? Is it an elephant trade? Yes, of course, the price is going down, right? Then the elephant trade is given, even though it's very small, but it's still an elephant trade itself, okay? So hopefully you guys get a Q yesterday, yeah? Okay, so let's just look at the market for gold yesterday. Same thing again. The initial start of the day was very slow. We let it be. Then after that, the market started to slowly, of course, you can see that eventually it broke above the pivot 2 and mounting to KTR plus 1 and so forth. So with that basically gives a lot of people confidence. And you can see that if the market is opposite, you can draw it down. And of course, you can profit from that again through this. And when the market hits the pivot 2, you can see the market really stop there nicely. And then after that, start to recover all the way. Now, some of you have asked me this question, Kel. Without the diamonds here, we cannot trade. We don't know how to trade anymore. I say, of course. That's the reason why we create a diamond for you. The diamond works both sides for buy and for sell. So as long as you're supposed to buy, you buy. For sell, you sell. Now, if the diamond you find it very irritating, don't worry. Okay, we're trying to do something for you in the version next upgrade version, right? 10.5 to 10.6. We'll take away the diamond for you. So if you want a diamond, you put it in. You don't want to take it out yourself. Will it be better? Yeah. So you see, it's very difficult to please everybody. Okay, very difficult. Okay, then after that, you can see that the next 4 diamonds here, you place a line and a stop loss here. Wow, jackpot, you see? The market go all the way to KTR plus 3. So imagine how many times you will make the profit easily, another 7 times, okay? So earlier you already make 1 round, and now you make another round, and then the market go crazy. If you have a 4 diamond on top, you draw a line across it. Again, you spotted this? Yes. A CCYR again happening, and then after that your stop loss is just here. So when the market comes down all the way, you have made at least 5 times. Correct or not? Yes or no? If yes, press number 4 right now. The screen's off. Yeah. Off it. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's continue. And then what happened? The market basically, right? Remember, when you draw a line, once you see it's a CCYR, you can sell. You don't need to wait on, okay? Then after that, the market came back down. Another new diamond come in, but this time around it's a double diamond. I told you before, double diamond is a very strong indication of a bottom of a cycle. So what you draw, very simple, draw the diamond, draw the line, and then you have it. The stop loss order can either place it here or place it here, depending how comfortable you are. If you place it here, all right, look at it. Again, you can make profit at least 1 to 2 to 3 X's, okay? 1 to 3 X's again. So you see, one whole day, guys, you can make money and money and money through the day. Practically itself, you can keep on making money throughout the whole day as long as you just follow the whole thing. Keep on following the diamonds, you are fine. And that's the reason why we keep on telling you this, that you must learn how to use a diamond, because very soon the whole world will be using a diamond also. And you don't want to be at the back, because once you know what to do with the diamonds, you will know what to trade and you will go in first before the rest follow. You understand that? That is the reason why we give you a head start with this, all right? So you can see aftermath itself, the gold price really moved very nicely and traded very nice towards the it. Okay. All right. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video sharing. Now, the bottom point is this: we just want you to know that you can make money from the market. So do participate more in the group chat, in Telegram group chat, and I'll see you soon for tomorrow's video or Monday's video. Bye-bye.